Hello brother and sister. Today I will going to give a review for a electric screwdriver. Here is in front of us. The electric screwdriver is come with brand Worx, which is from made in China brand. And here is at the bottom of the box. I have this electric screwdriver for almost a month and already do a few DIY project, and the battery is still going strong without recharging. Here is the port of the charging. You can charge it with a USB-C cable. Here is the spec at the side of the body. This electric screwdriver have a quite good quality from the material and working lasting battery. And here is the bottom to adjust the top that you may need on your project. One push, twice push, a third time push. And when you want to see how many the juice you have on this electric screwdriver, then you just push and hold this button. You see, the juice is still full. Okay, now here is the and that is just how you check the battery level. Now I will show you how to operate. Just push this arrow button for forward or reverse. Okay. And with every purchase, this is the standard accessories. It comes inside the box. Now we lift up the pocket and see what at the bottom. The USB-C charging cable with a length around 80 centimeter. The manual instruction all in Chinese, but I assure you don't need this manual because the electric screwdriver is very easy for use. Okay. Now I will going to measure the length of the screwdriver from the top to the bottom. This is around 18 centimeter. At the bottom from the screwdriver, it has a carabiner, which is I made it myself. You can tie it up to the hole at the bottom of the screwdriver like this. This carabiner is very convenient when you are working with this screwdriver. You can hook this to your pen or your belt, so it won't require you to put it and put it up. Okay, now I'm going to try the standard bit, also with a Worx brand. Forward and this reverse. Okay, forward, reverse from this to bottom. Also, you can use another longer bit like this. This bit come from brand Worx, also made in China with a decent quality. As you can see, it's quite wobbling because the chuck at here. But in our everyday use or for DIY, it will not bring any problem. Okay. Now I will going to kill the screwdriver. 259. You also can use this bit for simple drilling. And this electric screwdriver also come with 2 pieces of LED at the front. Okay, here's the light. And that's all our review for a electric screwdriver from Worx brand. Thank you for watching this video.